everybody, I'm KGM.
And I'm Lid.
Today, we're going to be opening up our Ipsy bag, but I do have a question for you guys. Do you guys want to call me KGM or do you guys want to call me Belle? Please comment down below. Get a wonderful bag each time. This one is peach themed, it looks like. All right, AVANT Advanced Bio Restorative Superfood Facial Oil. That would be fun to do for like a spa day. That. What if it smells like anything? Put your hand out. Smells very natural. All right, next we have this Elizabeth Mott Sure Thing Vitamin C Cleanser. Cleanses and removes makeup with vitamin C. Do you see what it looks like?
Ooh, very clear.
Oh, smell it. It smells like oranges. It smells like an orange rind.
It smells like orange, like baby oranges.
Little tiny baby oranges. Yeah. Okay. All right, next we have this. Ooh, this is JX. And it is a sparkling champagne highlighter. You want to try this out, baby? Come here. Let me see your top of your cheek. Personally, I think this color is probably too dark to be our highlighter. But I think it'd make like a really fun like eyeshadow and make it all sparkly. All right, last but not least, we have Big Ego by Tarte. I am a sucker for mascara, I swear. I love buying mascaras in like this size or like the trial or the travel sizes because mascara tends to go bad very fast and a lot of bacteria and germs and all that stuff like to build up in the mascara. So like the more often you change your mascara, honestly, the better. So I'm really excited to try this one as well. She's got a very soft and large brush. All right, Lid, what was your favorite product here today?
I think this one.
Are you excited for the vitamin C cleanser?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm really excited for this mascara. All right, bye everybody.